Toyota Altis 2009 to 2013 version, installed for Cogoo Android Plus 9-inch big screen GPS player, Android GPS. Okay, with Cogoo Night View Plus, reverse camera. So this is Cogoo Android Plus series, 9-inch big screen Android GPS player with Toyota Altis special OEM casing, big screen casing, good fitting, and OEM socket plug and play. Show you for the reverse camera. So Cogoo Night View Plus reverse camera. For radio, steering control, next equalizer, so 10-band equalizer. Okay, back to home, full menu. Got a Bluetooth. Okay, pairing with your phone Bluetooth. Okay, Bluetooth calling or Bluetooth music. So video input and video output. So you got a Play Store, log in Gmail, download app from Play Store. You can download Waze, Google Maps for online maps, or YouTube, Spotify. So it's got a steering control. So steering control setting. Okay, you can set Android Plus series. You can set for the short press or long press. Setting. Connect Wi-Fi. Pairing with your phone hotspot for internet. Setting number 2, about car. So Android version 7.1, 2 GB RAM with 16 GB storage. It's got a 2 USB slot, which is USB and extension will put in the drawer. So you get it plug in for the USB pen drive or USB portable hard disk. So nighttime driving, you can turn off the screen. Press anyway to turn it on. Press anyway to turn it on. Okay, Android player, you have to clear apps. Clear it one by one or clear all. Okay, nighttime driving, when you turn on the headlight. So it's got a light on the side. Okay, so this is Cogoo Android Plus 9-inch big screen CG-009AD2, 2 GB RAM with 16 GB storage, with OEM casing and OEM socket plug and play. Video by 1bis. Thank you.